Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. My dear students, regarding our previous discussion, we have already discussed a lot of facts, informations, ideas related with the topic like sound of music. And we have already finished its first part. Today we have to start its second part related with the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. So all of you minutely, carefully and seriously focus my today's videos and follow me.
Chapter 2 related with our literature book Beehive, and the title here like The Sound of Music Part 2. As the Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. It's also creation of Deora Kauli. My dear students, just before going to highlight the title, I would like to provide you a brief description related with the story writer as well as the author. Deora Mason Cowley is an Ottawa-based writer and broadcaster. She has traveled the world while writing more than 100 articles for different editions of the Reader's Digest, many of which have been translated into dozens of languages. She has been an on-air broadcaster for CBC Radio in Washington, D.C. and worked for CBC Television in London and Cairo, Egypt. She is the author of Cairo, a practical guide, and of Lucille Tesdell, Doctor of Courage. She wrote One Woman's Journey, a portrait of Pauline Vanier. Now, my dear students, just before going to highlight the facts related with the story, I shall try my best to provide you the main characters related with the chapter. First characters related with the chapter, like the main character as Bismillah Khan. Next one, Rasul Bucks as Bismillah's grandfather. Third one here, Pagambar Bucks as Bismillah father. Fourth one here, Ali Bucks as Bismillah maternal uncle. Fifth one here like Ustad Faizan Khan. Sixth one, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Seventh one here like Zahir Shah, the king of Afghanistan. Eighth one here like Vijay Bhatt as a film director of a film titled as Gunj Uthi Shehnai. Ninth character here like Vikram Srinivas as a Kannada venture, and last one like character number 10 here, Emperor Aurangzeb. Now, a spot, place or scene related with the story. First place, regarding the story, like Dumraon, it's a city of Bihar. Second one, Benares, now in as Varanasi. Second, Bihari Ji, KVT, as Balaji and Mangla Maiya. KVT here stand for Kashi Vishwanath Temple. Next place here as Allahabad, now it's famous as Prayagraj. And next one like Lucknow also. And the last spot here, like the place related with our story, that's Tehran and Afghanistan. Now, the theme or facts related with the story. This part of biography encourages the students to think about the rich and cultural heritage of Indian music and out musical instruments. Now, my dear students, just after providing these all the informations, ideas or guideline, next day I shall have to provide you the summary of this chapter. Thanks a lot. God bless you and hope to see you again.